The Swiss family-owned company Isa Salman AG is currently in its 7th generation and has become specialized in bodywear for men, women, children and babies. For over 170 years, high-quality and innovative textiles have been developed and sustainably produced at the company headquarters in Amriswil, Switzerland. New products and materials are designed in the in-house design studio and developed right through the market maturity. We leave nothing to chance and are uncompromising when it comes to achieving perfect quality and fits. As a sustainable family-owned company looking towards the long term, we are keen to use sustainable materials and production processes that consume less energy when developing new products. And even today, after more than 170 years, knitting is still our passion. We are the only Swiss bodywear producer that still operates its own knitting factory in Switzerland. Thanks to the know-how of our long-standing employees, as well as the use of selected raw materials, we make constantly high-quality products. The raw materials that we knit in Amriswil are manufactured in compliance with the highest environmental and social standards at our long-standing partner E. Schellenberg, a textile printing company in Feraldorf in the canton of Zurich. E. Schellenberg Textildruck AG specializes in dyeing, printing and finishing knitted fabrics and is one of the leading textile finishers in Europe. The use of dyes and other chemical ingredients is strictly controlled and goes far beyond the legal and industry standards requirements. Our fabrics undergo multi-stage finishing processes depending on the quality. The fabrics are jet or CPB, cold pad batch dyed. After dyeing, our fabrics are printed on state-of-the-art rotary or digital printing machines. Once the last finishing process has been completed, a full check is carried out. Meter by meter, the goods are examined on the inspection machine. Using state-of-the-art production technologies, as well as an in-house purification and water treatment facility, resource-efficient production is guaranteed. After finishing, the fabrics are sent back to Amriswil to Isa Bodywear, where they are transformed. In addition to design and development, knitting, customer service, logistics and marketing, about 40% of all fabrics are still cut to size in Switzerland before our semi-finished product starts their short journey to our subsidiary Geriza in Portugal. Here in the sunny south of Europe, our pioneering grandfather, Robert Salman, founded a textile factory over 50 years ago. Today, we form a team of 170 highly motivated and efficient workers with just one goal in mind: cutting, sewing, inspecting and packing high-quality bodywear for our customers. With stamping machines, tubular finished fabrics are cut efficiently with millimeter precision, producing little waste. The punching plates are manufactured by our mechanics and are regularly checked to ensure they are accurate, so that every part also meets our high requirements for the perfect fit. For particularly delicate designs, such as the carrot pattern, we do not use automatic processes, so we can ensure perfect quality. So that the patterns on the seams and on the side seams for pyjamas exactly match each other, these designs are carefully placed by experienced employees by hand and then cut by hand. In the cutting department, ingredients are also produced and prepared for subsequent production steps. So, for example, trims for sleeves, hems, etc. are cut with the collarette machine and sent to the sewing department. The work preparation also entails applying the print motifs, which are placed on the semi-finished products using a transfer print process. The fabrics, ingredients, sewing threads, etc. are then allocated by the overseers to each of the production lines. Depending on the model, up to 40 stages are required in the sewing shop to produce the finished product from the individual pieces. Whenever possible, we rely on automated processes. For example, for certain products, the labels, the bundle load and the hem are sewn semi-automatically. But many sewing processes are still done by hand with great dexterity. What may seem simple to non-professionals at first glance is in fact quite the opposite. Only with many years of experience and a lot of commitment can the perfect seam be created. It should not be forgotten that efficiency is very important, and a seamstress sews between 100 and 500 pieces a day. Despite an annual production volume of over 1.5 million items, we leave nothing to chance when it comes to quality. This is also illustrated by the fact that we check every single item at the end of the manufacturing process. Each individual item is meticulously checked by specially trained employees. Stitching is cleaned up and any loose fibers are removed. Not until a product has met the high requirements of our final quality control, it is packaged and forwarded to the central warehouse in Switzerland. We have to be ready to deliver at a moment's notice, which is why we permanently store 500,000 finished parts at our headquarters in Amriswil. From here, they are sent to our customers all over the world.